was cold throughout the nation today, and looks like we'll have to deal with these conditions for a while. To get the details on the weather here in Korea and around the world, let's go over to our Kwon So-ah at the Weather Center. So-ah, hello.
Hi, Tia, and good evening to all our viewers. Now, I hope you layered up well today because it was the coldest day of autumn so far in many parts of the country, including in the capital where the morning started off at minus 0.6 degrees. Now, the current temperature in Seoul is at around 3 to 4 degrees, but due to the cold winds, it feels like 1 degree, so please bundle up if you're still outside. Now, meanwhile, down in the south inland regions, we have chance of some light sporadic rain overnight, and the mountainous areas may receive some snow. However, most of Thursday looks to be exceptionally clear and sunny across the nation. And temperature-wise, we will have to cope with below-average readings again, with the capital Seoul starting off at minus 1 degree, but the high will be warmer than today at 9. Daegu, Gwangju, and Busan begin at 3 or 4 degrees and make it to 13 later in the day. And let's move over to other places. Daejeon's temperature range will be very broad and much more narrow for Jeju and Dokdo. And Mount Kumgang's morning will be very, very cold. And now let's move on to the international weather. It's getting slightly cooler in Tokyo, but skies stay bright and sunny. A lot colder in Beijing with some clouds now and then. No signs of cooling off in New Delhi and Islamabad, but signs of calming down in Manila and Bangkok, neither of which expect thunderstorms on Thursday. Those, however, continue in Kuala Lumpur, Port Moresby, as well as in Jakarta. And taking you down under, Sydney jumps up to 27 degrees, making it as warm as Perth. Melbourne stays in the high teens under cloudy skies. It'll be a tad cooler in Wellington, but with ample sunshine. Much of that can also be seen over in Vancouver and Montreal, but of course with colder temperatures. In fact, Montreal plunges to minus 3 degrees overnight. A high pressure lingers in much of the Midwest and eastern United States, which means no precipitation but still chilly conditions. And as for South America, Rio de Janeiro is dealing with scattered thunderstorms the entire week. Thursday, they should especially focus on the afternoon. Early rain showers are going to make a visit to Sao Paulo, and Santiago remains sunny but windy. Moving to Europe and Moscow, where it'll get a little wet in the morning, and same goes for Rome. Those in London and Paris should take extra care on the roads, not because of rain, but due to foggy conditions. Finally, in Africa, water drop in temperatures for Tripoli. The daytime high is predicted to only hit 21, so dress accordingly. Dakar stays hot at 31, Addis Ababa just fine in the mid-20s, but with an extreme high UV level, so even if it's not too hot, please protect yourselves from the sun. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
Thank you, So-ah. That's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates in our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.